Akilaji, Shri Lakshman, join us. Kapaleshwara Pancharatnam, I think we have all been transported to Mylapore for the last 2.5 hours. Wonderful. Meetings and music by Dr. Raghunath and all these teachers have taken so much trouble, so much effort to train these wonderful kids, and we really sincerely thank Sri V. Sundaram sir and the Aradhana committee for encouraging such local talents from North America. They give a great applause from all of you and our support. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening. From 1969 to 1973, when I was in Vivekananda College, 5 days a week, I had to go past the Kabaleshwara temple. Every day, I would look at it before I go to college. But now, the performance here, Kabaleshwara Pancharatnam, they brought the Kabaleshwara temple to Cleveland. This was masterfully composed by one and only Vagayakara, Dr. Rukmani Ramani. By the way, Cleveland, we award Sangeeta Ratnakara, Nritya Ratnakara every year.